on the subject.
Something was foisted upon you that you didn't.
Yeah, everything really.
No,
Management. Yeah, like obviously, like, you know, look, you all have eyes in your heads and you can all see. Like, I'm a similar age to an awful lot of you, and you know, I'd give anything to be sitting where you are instead of sitting where I am right now. Like, I was 21, I had my injury, which was an infection, which, you know, developed an abscess on my spine, and I spent 8 months in a hospital bed. And there's times there, like some of my best times there, my lowest times there. It's funny, like, it always comes back to sport. And then a few years later, you get into coaching, and it's not to replace it, but it's just that another opportunity knocks and you take it. And I suppose you get these chances, they come more often than you actually think, but you have to grab the ones that really stand out, and this is one of those ones.
Underdogs, Iborts like Greenfield's digital sports technology, creators of the Smart Schlitter.